Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Today behind me I got a smash 2005 Mustang GT with the 4.6, not the 5.0. They didn't start that I think until 09. Yeah, this frame rail, yeah, I left the chat. This frame rail should be right over here. See where the license plate is? See where the grill is? Yeah. Shifted over about 2 feet. There's the other frame rail. And not only did this thing get crashed, this is the second accident on it, as there's Bondo. This is Bondo. Look how thick that is. So this had a previous accident. They didn't even change the fender. They just Bondoed it up. What a shame. But yeah, it's been in a previous accident, unfortunately. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to straighten out the frame rails and maybe put new ones or use the same ones. I'm actually doing this as a favor for one of my friends. They're still paying monthly on it. They only had liability, which doesn't make sense because if you're making payments on something, they want full coverage. So I don't know what's going on there, but it's going to need a fender for sure. The door survived. It's going to need a hood, grill, crash bar, bumper. I'm going to try to save the headlights. So 2 fenders, hood, bumper, crash bar, bumper cushion. And then it has, yeah, that's scary. Look at that. I think once I pull the rail over, this will come back in. But yeah, so it's got 94,000 miles, which is not bad. That's really low for 2005. Interior is clean, super clean. And then yeah, a little bit of aftermarket parts. It's got the Roush intake with the cold air. Let's do a cold start on it real quick. That sounds nice. That is nice. I don't know what kind of exhaust on it, but it sounds good. All right, welcome back. It's another day here on the Mustang. I think I left off with a cold start on the video. I'm not sure, but today what I am can't talk today. Today what I want to accomplish is to pull the radiator support or the bottom support out a little from the AC compressor, because right now I can't run a belt. So moving this thing is really hard, and no charging, no nothing. So I'm going to pull that out, and then I'm going to pull the core support out and pull all the parts off that I need to. The grill, 2 fenders, the bumper, crash bar. Crash bar I might have to cut off with the Sawzall, and if I have enough time today, start pulling the rails. If not, I am going to start taking apart what I need to take apart. Alrighty, so let me got this set up. I might put you on tripod, I'm not sure. I'm gonna pull this out real quick, see if I can get the belt on there. Alright, I'm not getting anywhere with my RAM, so I'm gonna go at it old school. Let's see what happens right now. on the used, well, there's new and used parts. These are the used fender and hood. We did get a used passenger fender, but it was no good. It had a lot of body work done to it. A lot of body work. I'll go over there and I'll show you in a minute. But yeah, body line's not too bad. At least I can open the door, doesn't crunch, but I might need hood hinges. And this gap will close once I get that leg over that way. But at least I got the crash bar, everything, all the parts that are no good are sitting right here. Passenger headlight did not survive. Driver headlight survived, but I'm gonna ask the customer if they just want to upgrade their headlights, get a pair of those. I'll install them. But yeah, these are the side skirts. Those are still good, but the two fenders no good. Crash bar right over there, no good. But yeah, look at those frame rails. That's nuts. But whatever, they want me to fix it, I'm gonna try my best. But not bad. Passenger fender fits really good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop right here. Good stopping point. Sorry I didn't film everything that I did, disassembling everything. It was boring. It wasn't that, didn't miss nothing. So next week I'll probably start pulling the frame rails. That I will film, so don't worry on that. But yeah, I think I like the progress. I think I'm gonna end the video today right here. See you mañana. Welcome back. It is another day here working on the Mustang. I worked on it last weekend. Got this frame rail pretty straight. Sorry I didn't film that one, I was in a hurry. But I will film this frame rail right now. As you can see, it should be over here somewhere, and it's over here. So let's bring it over, put you on tripod. First pull, not dang bad. Shoot. All right, be right back. Let that sit for a little bit. All right, let's do another pull. All right, another pull. Alright, I think that's as straight as that rail is going to be. Be right back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This is another day here on the Mustang GT. On the last clip, I forgot to show you I mocked up everything. But yeah, mocked up everything. Everything lines up good. The headlights are reused. That's why they're not in there. Broken tabs. But as you can see, body lines are good. The grill, I just got it sitting over there. Haven't mocked that up. This headlight didn't survive either, but again, body lines are pretty good. This is not welded in, the radiator support yet. It's just in there. But yeah, bumper match, everything. So I finally got the bottom radiator support, sway bar mount, bottom support, I guess, what do you want, whatever you want to say, cross member. So I'm gonna take off the old one, take off the bumper and everything like that, and be right back. Right, got the old cross member off. Little crunch right there, welds broke right there, welds broke right there. These are some pretty beefy welds, and this is pretty strong, so whatever the person hit hard, real freaking hard. All right, so I'm gonna put this up in there, see if it matches. It should. So, and then I also took off the plates for the crash bar. Those are right here. Got those off right now. Got the new crash bar over there. I'm gonna put that on too, see if it matches up. Heck yeah, it bolted right in, no problem. Everything fits in its place. Heck yeah. But yep, fit perfect. I didn't have to struggle, no nothing. I put it straight up in there, lined up. And you remember, there's pins. There's a pin there and a pin there. It lined up. Whew. My measurements are pretty dang close for it to fit right on. Alright, let me straighten out these little legs over here, stuff like that. Man, oh man, I went crazy. I didn't film anything. But look at that. I got the condenser, oil cooler, and sandwiched in there. That's the trans line, I think. But radiator fits. Plugs in. Power steering goes where it goes. Everything's falling into place. I just gotta get new insulator rubbers for the hold down on the radiator. I used them for the bottom. They left the chat in the accident, so I use those for the bottom instead. But yeah, still a lot of work to do. Still got to weld in these tangs right here, still got to order them. But yeah, those are lining up, all the holes. Heck yeah, it's coming out nicer than I thought. So this is gonna end this this video for today. See you the next day. Welcome back, another day here on Bobby's backyard. And yeah, as you can see, the Mustang's done. I did not film a lot of things. Like I said, I've had this for a very long time. Customer was asking for it back, and I don't blame them. It's just with weather and everything. Yeah, just a lot of factors, but it's done. Like I said, I'm sorry I didn't film everything, but I still have to do some things. Got to put the side skirts on. I got to do the seat belts, the tensioners on both sides. There's the skirts. I'm gonna take those to the shop, put them on in the shop. Yeah, the paint came out, you know, decent, not bad. Some reaction happened on the bumper. It was a used bumper, so I don't know what was on it. And then I guess I used too much of old body filler. I don't know, but actually the body filler's here. I think the reaction was the primer I used. I don't know what happened, but that sucks. But other than that, the body lines aren't that bad. And oh, what else? Oh, I gotta install the fog lights, the pony emblem, and then the bottom grill. Excuse me. But again, like I said, I'm sorry, but the color match came out good. And this is a complete thing. I hope you like the build. It was really hard. It was fun and hard at the same time. All right, guys, so it's gonna be it. Oh yes, under the hood. Let me show you under the hood. As you can see, opens up very well. Get under here. As you can see, everything lines up. Headlights, the undercover thing here, the air cleaner lines up, radiator, everything, coolant bottle, so not bad. All right, lay that down. Now that's the end. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, consider subscribing on the side right there. Until next time, talk to you guys later.